Hey guys, it's Wild Slimes. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas, and today I'm showing you how to make an icy slime. So I have some clear slime right here, some instant snow, Snow Wonder, and some water. So first let's talk about the clear slime. Your clear slime does not need to be clear, okay? As long as it's clear glue and activator, that's all you really need. So obviously it's very bubbly and it has a little bit of a tint to it. That's alright. And how I made the clear slime, I just took some clear glue, some soap, and then activated it up. Tell me if you want a clear slime tutorial. But yeah, that's how I made this. And then this is Snow Wonder Instant Snow. You can get this off of Amazon. I will link that in the description. But yeah, and then just some water. I would say this is like maybe like a fourth of a cup of water. So first I'm gonna take my clear slime and just leave it to the side for a little. And then we're gonna take our water and our Snow Wonder and then activate the snow. Okay, so now that I've activated my instant snow, I'm going to take my clear slime and then kind of just like put it here and make a little well, I guess, where you can put the snow in. And this will get messy, but that's alright. And then we're just gonna mix that in. And you're just gonna go bit by bit, adding in a little bit at a time. As I said, this will get messy, and you're just gonna press your slime down on any snow. This recipe makes a relatively dry icy slime, but if you like your icy slime more wet, that's alright. Just add some more water to your instant snow. That's all you need to do, just more water to the instant snow. I promise you, and it will make it more wet and sizzly icy slime. But this one is really nice too, and it has no wet consistency, and it's also pretty sizzly and inflating and all that. So yeah, I don't think I might need all the snow, but I don't think I will need all that. And I'm just going to mix, bit by bit. So I will show you guys when this is done. Okay, so I just wanted to update you guys. I added in the whole entire container. And I would say right now it's like a mix between a jelly texture and an icy texture, of course. So I'm gonna actually add in another container. Okay, so 2 containers of snow have been added, and this is where I got. So obviously it's not really an icy slime yet because that's gonna sit. It's gonna sit for like a few hours, and it's a really nice consistency. Now, if you want a wetter consistency, you can just add in just a little bit of water to the slime, and then you'll get a wet consistency. But this is more of a dry, icy texture. So yeah, anyway, it's going to be sitting for a little bit, and then it'll become, you know, what an icy slime really is. I totally forgot to film an outro, but go shop my slimes, link in the description. Bye!